How to keep your project costs low or minimum. Here are the 7 tips. This is Anupam Agarwal, Director Adi Durga Steel. With our 30 years of experience in steel industry and 9 years of experience in pre-engineered building, I have understood one thing after talking to various business owners and project heads, that these 7 areas will definitely keep your overall projects low, cost low. Here's the first one: subsidies. Before deciding or planning, you should definitely check on the subsidies location wise or industry wise, because there are various subsidies available through state government or central government. And if you successful to get subsidies, you will be able to free your investment in the shortest possible time. So always check for good subsidies. Second comes the project finance. Project financing can be done through two ways: your own funds or the loan from the banks. So if you are investing your own money, you will feel free and sleep tight because there is no tension of paying it back. Second is the bank's loan. So always check for the cheapest loan possible in the market. There are various entities available. For example, if you are MSME, do check for the rate of interest from SIDBI. Usually they offer a very good rate of interest for MSMEs. Then comes the shade dimensions and designing. It plays a very important role in the overall project cost. A minor change in the width or a height or some crane details, it can drastically reduce your cost. So always consult a PB player before finalizing the dimension. So it will save your cost a lot. Then comes the civil cost. As you know, all the foundations, the roads, the boundary wall, all comes in civil. So it is advisable to always go for a very detailed and very good design by a civil engineer or an architect, because this will help you to go in a planned way with all the BUMs, and this will keep your overall civil cost very low. Then comes the fifth point, which is the vendor selection. It can be any vendor: PEB, civil, your crane vendor. It's always advisable to check the years of experience, the number of projects which you have done, because their experience can make your project very streamlined and hassle-free all throughout. So this was the fifth point. Then comes the sixth point, which is quotation or offer analysis. Always try to take minimum 2 to 3 quotations from each, from different vendors, from different products, and try to compare all the offers, making them at par, because apple to apple comparison will definitely help you in saving cost and negotiate you better. So always take minimum 2 to 3 quotations. Then comes the last point, which is seventh. You should definitely go for a hassle-free execution, and how you can do it: by by keeping all the professionals at all levels, because time is money. If you indulge your time in execution, you'll not be able to invest time in your own business, which will be a huge opportunity cost for you. So it is very advisable to keep professionals at all the levels, right from the civil or PEB and the further things, this will help you in saving cost by time and avoid redoing things, because professionals do it well. So I think these 7 points will help you to keep your overall project cost low. And if you like this video, please share it, and you can click on this WhatsApp link below. This will help you to get these videos directly on your mobile. Thank you so much. Anupam Agarwal signing off.